In this video, we will show you how to replace the LED module in the SP-401S. This maintenance procedure should be performed in a close, dry environment to protect the internal components of the lamp. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure correct installation and proper lamp operation. Before starting the procedure, prepare the following tools: multi-bit screwdriver, hex bit 4 mm, small pliers, hex key 2 mm. Always tighten the screws to the specified torque values. All torque values can be found in the maintenance manual. Before starting the procedure, the appropriate LED module spare part should be prepared. Several LED optics configurations are available. Directional LED, unidirectional with omnidirectional optics, unidirectional, bidirectional, and omnidirectional. In addition, all LED modules are also available in an NVG-compatible version for night vision operations. The non-NVG version of the LED module is not equipped with an infrared LED. The LED module is equipped with a single cable that connects directly to the designated PCB pin. The non-NVG LED module must be connected to the marked pin on the PCB. The SP-401S can optionally be equipped with an infrared LED in the LED module. The LED module is equipped with two cables that connect directly to the designated PCB pins. The NVG LED module must be connected to the marked pins on the PCB. The first one is for LED, second for NVG. To disconnect the solar panel cable from the lighting unit, rotate the latch counterclockwise and carefully remove it from the power connector. Remove the lighting unit from portable mount. Start by releasing the safety latches. Gently remove the lighting unit, being careful not to bend the rear latches. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, use a 4 mm hex key to unscrew the 4 5x10 screws under the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. Place the lamp on its side and locate the transport fuse. Then remove the transport fuse by turning it counterclockwise with a flathead screwdriver. Place the fuse in a safe location, as it will be reinstalled after the LED module replacement procedure. To remove the antenna, unscrew it from the antenna socket located on the upper section of the lamp housing. To remove the glass dome, unscrew the 6 screws M5x20 using a screwdriver with an H4 bit. Once the screws are removed, lift off the dome's ring. Then, gently remove the glass dome from the unit. Using small pliers, disconnect the LED module cable from the socket. Remove the damaged LED module by unscrewing it counterclockwise. Install the new LED module by screwing it clockwise. Connect the LED module cable to the socket, ensuring it is inserted into the marked pin. The installation of the NVG version does not differ from the non-NVG version, except for the additional cable that must be connected to the designated pins. Connect the NVG cable to the designated NVG connector, then connect the LED cable to the corresponding connector. Using small pliers, disconnect the LED module cable from the socket. Loosen the locking screws with a 2 mm hex key by turning them counterclockwise. Be careful not to damage the light lens while loosening the screws. Remove the damaged LED module. Install the new LED module. Ensure that the LED aligns with the reference lines marked on the PCB. Directional colors must face the same direction as before replacement. The sticker indicates the light color orientation. In this case, W is for white unidirectional lens. W is for white omnidirectional on top of LED module. Y is for yellow unidirectional lens. Tighten the locking screws by turning them clockwise. Be careful not to damage the light lens while tightening the screws. Reconnect the LED module cable to the socket, ensuring it is attached to the correct marked pin. The installation of the NVG version does not differ from the non-NVG version, except for the additional cable that must be connected to the designated pins. Connect the NVG cable to the designated NVG connector, then connect the LED cable to the corresponding connector. Remove the old gasket and install a new one on the housing. Then, remove the second gasket and install a new gasket on top of the glass dome. Replace both gaskets every time the glass dome is opened. Place the glass dome onto the gasket. Align the dome's plastic ring over the housing and through the glass dome. Using a screwdriver with an H4 bit, tighten the screws on the cover. Alternatively, a power drill with a sleeve adapter and an H4 bit can be used to speed up the process. Tighten the screws to the specified torque value. To install the antenna, locate the antenna socket on the upper part of the lamp. Ensure that the gasket is properly installed, and screw the antenna into the antenna socket. Reinsert the fuse into the holder and screw it back into the lamp, tightening clockwise until resistance is clearly felt. Before inserting the lamp, unlock and open the safety latches. Carefully insert the lamp so that the rear part hooks onto the latches holding the lamp in place. Then, close the front safety latches to lock the lamp securely in place. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use 4 M5x10 screws for the installation. Use a 4 mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. If the LED module does not turn on, please refer to the video, SP-401S, How to Check the LED Module, for further guidance. For more information about replacing the LED module, please refer to the SP-401S Maintenance Manual.